Going on the road. Going on the road. Going on the road with Harley and Mona. RV broke.
Woo! Yeah. Man.
Yeah.
The table's gonna hit the.
Motorhome?
Yeah.
Well,
Ooh.
is it clear now?
There, that should be it.
Is it clear?
Yep. If not, I'll just hold it back.
Okay, here, I'll hold it. You push the refrigerator in a little bit.
Okay.
A little more. That's
There.
it. There you go. It's kind of off.
That feels better.
Okay.
Go up a little bit more, and then we can slide the whole table in there.
Table in.
There
Yeah,
you go.
if the table,
All right.
if the table slides in.
Yep.
Take it off.
I guess not. Oh well.
Huh?
It doesn't matter.
Yeah, it's already cocky. Hold on. Let me help you. There's nowhere really to hang on to.
No. Well, the table came with it. So
Yeah, it did
I
actually.
think it might be caught on the back side. I know there's a vent on the back side there.
Oh, I got it. I tilted it up. Okay, let's. The couch. Just put this bottom down.
Oh, it's just settled over here.
Huh?
It's set on something over here.
Oh, there's a tray that's underneath.
Great.
Okay.
Oh, that's that water tray came out of it. That's probably what clipped
Yep.
on the thing. Okay, we'll put that back in.
Phew.
Now,
Phew.
I don't know if we can lift it in there. We might be able to. You get this. We can try, I guess.
Hold on.
It's got it.
I'm gonna lift up the back.
Okay, it's got to go this way. So, well, let's try to lift a little bit. If it's too heavy, we'll just put it on the jack and lift it with a jack.
I'm gonna tuck the cable back in.
Okay.
All right. Where do you lift this from now?
Right in the bottom. I got one hand in the front and one in the bottom.
Okay.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
We put the refrigerator in, and it works good. I'm going to do a filler on this side And this side's going to have flashing. And I think I'm going to use it spray foam just to seal it. But I'm putting brackets underneath here. I got it marked out there on both sides to keep it from sliding out. And then I'll show you what I'm doing on the back. That's why you have to have tools with you when you travel. So I've got my little bolt assortment. I got some brackets here. I cut them off. I got my Sawzall. I got a vise and a trailer hitch. So I cut this much off of these brackets. They were longer brackets, and it's something I already had. So we finished sealing the window. I'm not the best sealer guy, but it's not going to leak. Just going to look nicer. I should have taped it off, is what I should have done afterwards, thinking. Okay, so what I'm doing here, see where that's like that? And then that's going to screw straight down so it can't move. Because when you're driving down a road, stuff can move. But I've got to drill this out here. Here we go. There. And that one will sit like this. I had to drill these brackets out a little bit too for these bolts. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm putting these bolts on here. Let me set you up here so I can't hold and do it at the same time. Okay, there. Or maybe I'll just do it this way. Tilt it down. Oops. Got the wrong size. I shall return. Right size now. I painted, let's see the fingernails. I painted these brackets after I cut them off. Now, I'll do this. Beautiful. Now I got to do this one on this side. This side will be a little challenging because it's on an angle. Hold on, bear with me. I'm not a videographer. Okay. Hopefully this will work. Oh, perfect. Look at that. Then all I got to do is straight down here. And I'm not going to screw them down yet because I need to slide the whole refrigerator out. This bracket's a little twisted. I get twisted with the turn. I'll straighten that. So I've got to slide it out because I'll show you what I'm going to do with the underside brackets. Okay, so that's almost done there. That one. We're at Fort Sill right now on post. My son helped me put the refrigerator in. Had to rent a lift, and it worked really good. Had to think outside the box a little bit. Okay, here are the other brackets. I painted these. These are longer, and I'll show you what I'm going to do with these. Beautiful sunny day here. Well, it's a little foggy, but it'll clear up. Let me turn this on here. There we go. Okay, so here's underneath the refrigerator. And so we're not using these caster wheels. I cut them off in the back so it would sit level. This bracket, I've got it marked here. It's going to go here. And then it's going to be screwed right into the wood here. So it's screwed down the bottom. I'll do it on both sides, and I'll just put little shallow screws up through the bottom of the refrigerator. And both these brackets will be here. So now I've got to slide the refrigerator out, put these where I marked them, screw them into the bottom of the refrigerator, and put my screws in there. So I'll drill these little holes here. These are self-starting screws or not. Over here. Okay. Come on, don't move. Ah. It's moving. Oh, let's see. Very good. No, right, keep doing it. Keep on moving. Okay. Now, maybe we'll black screws I got here. These are just kind of sheet metal. I think they'll work. There we go. Okay. Now, back. There you go. Let me check the back. Screw these in here. Ow. This is not need a bigger bit, I think. This bit isn't. I can pre-drill it. Okay, front is done. Drew blood. It's
You
done
did?
without drawing a little blood. Okay, let's do this one first. I'm sorry about the wiggling around, but this is nowhere to have the camera here. But still. Okay, it's on an angle, but. Now look at this side. Sleeping cameras. Hate these things. Somewhere else. There we go. Alright. So they're screwed in. It's in. Okay, I'm gonna put the cover on.
Going on the road, going on the road, going on the road with Harley and Mona. RV broke.